I'm Cody with Moto Camping Gear. So welcome to the channel. This is my journey, the gear that I have used and I'm finding that works for me. But I definitely would love to hear your comments if you have gear that works for you, that's compact and may work for all of us. Today we have a fun little review of a product that I just couldn't refuse to check out. Stay tuned. I've recently realized that I have a problem. I am a gear addict in search of the perfect dirt bike moto camping setup. It's been pretty fun, honestly. I have to say I've found some niches, hope I said that right, some niches I didn't even know existed, like bike packing, which is basically what I do, except I have 300 cc's to help me get up the trail. What made me want to pick this up? The price tag was $30. Plus, it's more of a tent than a bivy. I currently have a bivy that I spent a lot of money on, but it doesn't have any poles or anything. It literally just sits on your face and almost suffocates you. I can't sleep in it. I've tried to love this thing because I spent way too much money on it. Tried to make myself love it, and I can't do it. Quite surprised. This thing seems pretty beefy. It actually seems better than my $150 Black Diamond bivy. Tonight I'm going to throw this up in the backyard. I know it's not out in the wild, but I haven't mowed, so it's kind of like the wild. Anyway, I'm going to throw this up, try it out, see what it's like. I'll let you know. First impression, the poles are very cheap. They're not DAC. Couldn't even buy DAC for 30 bucks, so that's no surprise. Second thing is you gotta feed them through the sleeve, kind of like the old Walmart tent, but that's not a killer yet. We'll check it out. Good morning, YouTube. I have to say this thing's pretty badass so far. It's roomy. I slept with the top off. It was 55 degrees, I believe. Felt like about 45. Got a little bit chilly, but could feel a little breeze through here. I don't know if you can tell. Yeah, room on that side, room on that side. One thing I'd like to mention is the zippers. I'm not sure if they're YKK. However, these are better than my $500 tent and definitely better than the Black Diamond bivy zipper so far, and access is much better. It zips up and it zips the whole length. You can also roll and have that held up if you have two hands and one's not broken. Plenty of room. Good zippers. The bathtub floor. How am I going to use this bivy? This is my KLIM Arsenal vest that I wear on my adventure rides. Pockets in the front, side, and rear, which is for water. However, I have found that it is a great place to store tents. So, does it fit? The answer is yes. So that is just how I am going to use it. The day after, $30 bivy review. How did I sleep? Just like a well-nursed baby. Felt like there was plenty of room. Didn't feel claustrophobic at all. All in all, for 30 bucks, so far it's a win. Value for money? Definitely funnest $30 I've spent in months. It is pretty awesome. What do you think, Deej? Hey, you want to keep it? Human tested and dog approved, obviously.